Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be telling you about 3 different stocks and cryptos that will likely 10x by the end of the year. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're going to want to stick around until the end. What's up? I'm Joel, and I am an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and it's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep 10% dip. When I see that dip, I buy, and I let you guys know that I'm buying so you guys can buy as well if you'd like to. I then watch the charts throughout the day to see when there's a peak, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits. And then I let you guys know through a trade alert that I'm ready to sell so you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. So congratulations to everybody who's been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, what's your favorite cryptocurrency? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, smash that like button if you think Dogecoin is headed to the moon. It really does help out the channel. The first cryptocurrency I'm going to be mentioning is VeChain. It's the number 21st cryptocurrency ranked in the entire world, with a market cap of $7 billion. Now, just a month ago, VeChain was at 28 cents. And from a year ago, we are up over 800%. Even as the crash is happening, we're still up over 800%. They have an awesome potential because they are related to blockchain technology. This technology is currently being used in China, and I believe it will be used around the entire world. I project that VeChain will likely hit $1 by the end of the year. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my software and experience. Now, VeChain is at a low. It is at a huge discount right now, just like all other cryptocurrencies, because of fake news, greed, and fear. And guys, this is the perfect time to get in at these infancy stages, at these lows, at these dips. Wait for my trade alert, letting you know that I'm buying so you guys can have a little money on the side and buy along with me. The second cryptocurrency that I believe will 10 times by the end of the year is XRP. The market cap of XRP is $38 billion. XRP up already 238% just this year. There was a huge crash, of course. However, we did see the all-time high at $2. It's also on discount at 58% off. So still a great time to get in. They're currently going through a lawsuit through the SEC. Now, this lawsuit will likely be won by XRP, and if this happens, expect XRP to skyrocket. 10x with XRP would be massive. It would be huge for cryptos, and you do not want to miss this. Some people are even projecting, some cryptocurrency experts, that XRP will be $30 by the end of the year. Experts even speculate that XRP could in fact become the #1 cryptocurrency of the world. There's a lot of banks currently using it. Bank money transfers are much more efficient through the XRP technology, and that's why banks are currently using it, and I believe it will spread like wildfire. Cardano, being the 5th cryptocurrency in the entire world, is the 3rd coin that I recommend will possibly likely be 10x by the end of the year. Market cap being $46 billion. Within just 1 year, we are up 1,300%, guys. That's massive. Guys, do you personally own Cardano? Let me know in the comments down below. And what price did you buy in at? I got in just at 80 cents. And just as I put my trade alert out to buy, if you got in at that, guys, you're making a lot of money. The all-time high for Cardano was $2.50. Now, it's currently 60% off, so it is a great time still to get in. Some massive catalysts are still in the works for Cardano just this year, so stay tuned. Many crypto experts have projected that Cardano will likely become $20 to $30 just by the end of this year. The Alonzo Hartford and the Goguen era, these updates for Cardano will enable it to accept smart contracts on Cardano. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Ethereum, has actually also founded Cardano. Charles estimates that it could in fact reach a high of $1,000 in about 5 years, depending on how quickly the mass adoption occurs. Understanding their value and their true potential is the reason why I hold all of these coins. So as you can see, we had a massive cooldown period while we traded sideways, consolidating after a massive bull run, which it is completely healthy and normal. As you can see, after we've consolidated, trading sideways, we had an outbreak just as I called out. And then when we had the outbreak, we went up, but however, of course, we went down because we can't go straight up and we can't go straight down. However, as you can see, the lows are getting higher. The lows are getting higher. More green candlesticks right here as well, which is just a reminder that we are still on our bull run and we are still headed up from here. Dogecoin will hit the moon. Also, if you haven't yet joined my Patreon, it's in the top pinned comment. It's incredibly cheap, and that way you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for that steep dip so I can let you guys know that I'm getting in, so you guys can get in as well. And because I wait for that steep dip as I watch the charts throughout the day, there is a very short period of time that you have to wait before getting profits. And we see massive profits that way, just as we have. So congratulations to everybody who's been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we frankly made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.